do a Saturday update on progress. These are 2 batches of pins. This one's got hydrogen peroxide and this one's got water. They've been soaking for a while in different water, but they weren't doing anything. They weren't getting any cloud, and the material wasn't breaking down any, so I added iodized salt, and so that'll help get the base metals rusting away. So we'll rust them and then collect the stuff after it settles. But it was all clear water before I put the salt in. Yesterday afternoon. Let the air get to them. This one's real dirty. See, the cloud has a high concentration of sparkles that are hard to see, because the more there are, the cloudier it'll get. But when you pour that off, pour the liquid off and let it settle overnight, or however long it takes to the water to get clear again, and pour that clear water off and collect what's at the bottom, and then put it in a frying pan and dry it out. And this is the IC chips, two 2-liter bottles. What's left of it, pulling off the carbon and ceramic dust. But what's in that? There's 3 glasses. And that glass. And that stuff. There's a little bit in there. Pouring it off. And that stuff. And that. So this one is the main batch. Know that. So see that layer? There's a layer right here, and there's a layer there of different material. Spin it up and cloud it up, and it pulls up the dark material that's in there, pulls it up through there, and it lightens it up. I don't want to spin it up any lower than right there, because we don't want to force this material up. It's heavy enough that it's collecting at the bottom, and it'll stay there. And you just lightly spin it up, and it helps pull up that black material out of there, carbon and ceramic. You see the that lighter color layer. See, that's what that layer is there. But there's a lot more in here, so I've been just cleaning it off. So once you see the sparkles, metal sparkles get down around there, and we pull that dark cloud off top. Kick it up. So see how heavy this stuff is down at the bottom. So it's all picked up. There's a couple chunks in there. Noise. So what I want to do is maybe get this a little better so we can see what's going on, because that middle layer, the lighter layer wasn't there yesterday. So I let it sit overnight after a few days of just siphoning off this cloud in this glass. It's taken that long, but just seeing and siphoning, you just keeping more of the metals, not throwing them away. But the water was clear when it started out, and I spun it up, and it was just a quarter layer of that, the light gray in the middle. I spun it up and let it settle, and it made a thick layer, and it pulled some more black stuff out of there. So, nothing sparkling, just carbon dust. Some of the sparkles will stick to the side of the glass. So the quicker that settles, the more and more carbon that's pulled off of there in ceramic, it settles a lot quicker. So the amount of time to pull that dark cloud up off there, and lessens, reduces. But the object is not to throw away anything, because we don't know what we're throwing away. Trying to get some good light without having to hold the thing. There's a little bit of sparkles in the black on the top. Just gonna skim the top of it right now. If you're pulling all that stuff, it might be too much. Settle more.